Let's talk about a big one, South Africa's Labor Relations Act, or as it's known, the LRA. So picture a workplace with no rules. Disagreements? Yeah, they could lead to total chaos. That's where the law steps in. It's kind of like a referee, making sure there's fair play. And in South Africa, that referee is the LRA. Think of it as the official workplace rulebook. Its main purpose? Well, it's all about creating a fair and stable environment for everyone involved. And here's the key. The act isn't one-sided. It's all about creating a balance of power. For instance, employees get the right to join unions, while employers can dismiss for actual misconduct. Of course, breaking these rules has consequences. And for businesses, they can be pretty serious. For example, unfairly firing someone or stopping them from joining a union, that's non-compliance. And the penalties are no joke. We're talking huge fines or even being forced to shut down. So the LRA has a clear path for sorting out disputes, starting with a body called the CCMA. The CCMA is basically an independent mediator. Its job is to help both sides find common ground. But it's not just about avoiding fines. The LRA really impacts how a business runs every single day. And honestly, for businesses, it's a bit of a mixed bag. There are definitely pros and cons. When you get down to it, it's a complex balancing act. It protects workers, but lets businesses operate. Which leaves us with a big question. Does the LRA really create a perfect balance? Or is it always tipped?